What's happening? Dustin here with Dustin's Customs, and today I'm going to make this short and sweet. I have been working on both the Mustangs here and there. I'm also building a house, so my time is very scarce. Like usual, things are a mess. Things are need put away. I'm going to show you the progress I've made on the drag car and then the street car. That's what I'm going to start calling them. My neighbors have something going on. So I got the windshield out of the car. Still haven't cut any of this. I got this tarp in here. So windshield is out of the car. Just need to grind this, and the carpet is out. Just need to get that out. I'm saving that for the Cobra. Got the rear panel out. That's all stripped. Got the wiring harness out. It's piled up in the back. Quite a bit done. So got to do the doors and part of the dash. So that's getting stripped. Dash is there. Things are just a mess. So project right there. I got a bunch of pieces. I'm gonna pick out what I don't want for the Cobra and then probably get rid of the rest. Okay guys, so shop space is at a premium because I have so much junk in here I can't use the other two bays. So this is what I've been working on. Like I said, I wanted to do a rear mount battery. I got posts, they're coming tomorrow. So I'm gonna mount the post somewhere, and then these are gonna mount to a post on a bracket or something, an isolated bracket, something like that out of the way. Because this right here, I got this goes here, that goes there, so I gotta mount that. I took all the Mustang ground cables and I grounded them to here. This one, I don't know. There's a few like the engine ground strap from installing the K-member, but everything that was to the battery is now to here. I heat shrunk and soldered all that on. The ground and that everything is getting post, but I'm doing something pretty much like this. Route all the grounds, and then I have a power. Everything's kind of just not zip tied in yet. I did it the typical Mustang way. I ran it just like my amp wire through the firewall, through a grommet, along this panel. And then I went through here, underneath there, there's wiring to the cable. And then it comes out to the trunk. I do not have I don't have any light, Jesus. Let me see. Okay, so comes out through there, ground, power, and of course I'm getting a battery box. So that power goes there. I haven't really tested it at all. This will be the first time testing the ground. So my dome light works, so apparently I have power. All this is just kind of thrown in here. My ground is right there on one of the old seat bolts. And I don't think I'm going to start it. I may click it over. It doesn't have that much oil in it right now because I had to fix the return line for the turbo. But if I get that done and then do my alignment, hopefully the brakes aren't locked up and I have to do a brake job. But let's go ahead and see if it'll quick start. I'll just kind of tap it over. The battery terminals aren't that good. I used hard cable, so I'm a little curious. The thickness of the wire should be fine. Okay, so I'm gonna just click it over. I don't have the battery terminals on that good. And let's see. Okay, so it does fire. So that tells me that the rear mount battery is pretty much complete. I'm gonna go in and order a battery box, and that's it. I gotta clean this car. I need to get this car out of the shop. I got some 2021 F-150 stuff coming, so I'm gonna be doing that. As soon as this car is out, I need the hard concrete slab to work on, and I'm gonna keep pushing away. I may not film everything. I'm trying to get things done. I want to get this car running and driving, and then I'll probably start filming all the little stuff, but this car needs to get out of the garage. It's been sitting for almost 2 years, so that's where I'm at. Like I said, things are a mess, but that's pretty cool. It did fire up. I didn't want to run it because you see right there, there is just going to be water flowing everywhere. Plus it's low on oil. I will be redoing the turbo setup. It does have a wallboard 450 in the pump, and supposedly I have some injectors right there. So put the bumper back on if you're new. Intercooler. This turbo and downpipe is supposed to be temporary. I still need to build a bracket for underneath, so a bracket underneath. This is how I did my math right there, and that's how I did my power. I'm gonna put a post. I got post coming. Post for that, post for that. Put this in. This is out of a 2005 Crown Vic. Cut it down. ICT billet thingy right there. Let's see if I got another one. We'll use this adapter with some hose and just adapted it to fit. It's actually the same size from the factory, but had to cut the hose down, and then the hose was a different size. So there's the car, there's the projects. Here's my mess on the floor, and here is just a whole lot of stuff to do. So that's just a quick little update. It's been a couple weeks since I was, this is actually the first day I've worked on the car. Well, I've worked on the car twice since my last video. Building a house, it's just very time consuming. So that's it, man. I'm Dustin, this is Dustin's Customs, and I'm going inside. It's about 90 degrees, so see you later. Bye. Oh, I got this kit right here on Amazon for the connectors. It comes with heat shrink. Everybody's seen my this tool is cool on that. I use some of that. Everybody's seen my this tool is cool on my safety bits. So all the tools I buy, I do use. This right here, everybody buy this. Also did a this tool is cool on that. Just saying. All right, bye.